In this episode of Code Unveiled, we will take a look at puzzle number 1 from Advent of Code 2023 called Trebuchet. Before viewing this video, we encourage you to try solving the problem independently. Let's take a look at the problem description. The gist of it is that we are given a list of strings with digits in it, and we have to reconstruct the calibration value for a trebuchet. On each line, the calibration value can be found by combining the first digit and the last digit, in that order, to form a single two-digit number. The puzzle answer is the sum of all of the calibration values. There is an edge case, and it was kindly provided in the puzzle example, where there is only one digit in a string. Therefore, the first and the last digit is the same. Let's take a look at the code. To get the sum of the calibration values, we read the input line by line, and each line character by character, and keep track of digits if we find them. The two-digit calibration value is obtained as the first digit in a list, times 10, plus the last digit, and we sum all these values. In the second part of this puzzle, we are asked to also account for digits spelled out with letters. Sounds as easy as the first part, but there is a catch. Characters of two spelled out digits can overlap, so we have to consider that. I used a regular expression with a look-ahead assertion to solve the second part. The look-ahead assertion is important to address the issue with digit overlap. The rest is the same. That's all I have for you today. If you have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. Thank you.